Hello, good morning, New York. That's how they say, right? Good morning, everybody. Namaste, namaste, everybody. Welcome to the stream, boys. Have a lovely session today. You too, Sabo. कल रात की स्टोरी बताना आज. यस 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 यस. मैं पहले तो पूरी रात सोया नहीं हूँ, तो आज थोड़ी एनर्जी कम रहेगी, but will try my best to keep it alive, to keep things alive, my boys. Good morning, everybody who just woke up. Yo, welcome to the stream, everybody. Welcome. Hello, everybody. इंडियन कम्युनिटी में ये क्या चीज हो रही है यार? तुमने देखा क्या? Are you following on Twitter or not? People are fighting with each other. Yes, Abhishek. Flip day to lock payouts. Yes, AJ, that's what we are trying to do. जो ब्लो होना था वो हो चुका. Now it's time to lock payout. I don't know why they are fighting, bro. कुछ फायदा होने वाला नहीं है. स्पेशली MSR का कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा. बढ़िया, let's move on, let's focus to trading. Data low, I hope this is the data low. Yes, 830 मार्क कर देते हैं हम, क्योंकि that is gonna act as magnet. राइट, डेटा हाई भी है हमारे पास, उसको भी मार्क कर देते हैं. रेंज हमारे पास 132 पॉइंट्स की. एक्स पे ध्यान मत दो, अपना भी कुछ फायदा नहीं होने वाला. आई एम ओल्डर देन. हाँ, तुम सब मत ध्यान दो. ब्रो, इज दैट मॉन्स्टर 0 सेकंड? नो, it is not. I'm just checking how much sugar there is. So much sugar that again, fuck it. I'm low on energy, gotta keep it up. So yeah. Which one? It's a tropical one. Tropical flavor, yellow edition. Alright. We got 3 minutes in market open. Can do, can do. I drink Red Bull just because it gives me boost for 2-3 hours. I know I'm gonna be dead after 2-3 hours, but again, it gives me boost for 2-3 hours. That's all I need on the stream. एवरीथिंग बेकार भाई, ध्रुव भाई. एक्स नहीं, पूरी दुनिया ही बेकार है. दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है? एक दूसरे से लोग फाइट ही कर रहे हैं, एक देश दूसरे देश से, एक बंदा दूसरे बंदे से. वही है, एंड वी आर पार्ट ऑफ इट. Apart from gold, what do you suggest to trade in terms of pair? I suggest you do not touch gold. Apart from gold, first of all, that was wrong. Trade NQ. NQ is way better. If you have been trading in gold, then just stick to gold. You don't need to look at silver at all or anything else. Let's go, Abhishek. That's a way to do it. Lost 8 accounts this month. I'm depressed. Again, if you lost 8 accounts back to back to back, trading one at a time, then it's a problem. If you trade it together, let's say 4 accounts, and then you lost those, then problem can be that you are trading multiple accounts at the same time. Only NQ, one strategy, one pair, one session. Yeah, that's all you need. That's all you need. कल देखा ना आपने क्या हुआ? कल देखा ना गैम्बलिंग का रिजल्ट क्या है इन द एंड? मैंने बताया ही था आपको. इन द एंड वही होता है. म्यूजिक कम कर दो क्या? पसंद नहीं आएगा? लो. All right. Market is leaning towards the highs. Yo, Cloudsy, welcome to the stream. Why don't you play music in the background anymore? I do play background music. सुनाई आवाज आ रही है? और इतना रहेगा क्योंकि मेरा आवाज मुझे बताए कि 4x 5x है म्यूजिक से. हाँ, आएगा. अगर तुम फुल वॉइस पे सुनोगे मुझे तब आएगा वो. हीट मैप नहीं देखता मैं. और गाइस, हाई निकल चुका है. ES का इंटरमीडिएट हाई भी निकल चुका है. Now can we move to the lower part? एंट्री हार्डली मिलने वाली है. नाइन थर्टी के अंदर क्लोज है तो मैं ये शॉर्ट में भी अवॉइड करूं. बट अगेन, alright guys, get ready. I'm going short guys there. I'm going short. If it takes me out, it's fine for me. Top will be again, sorry मैंने गलत लगा दिया. My bad यार. Stop will be just about that. Okay. तो पोजीशन साइजिंग अगर रॉन्ग किए तो एग्जिट कर जाना. यू कैन करेक्ट इट राइट नाउ. 73. मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली I'm gonna be wrong in this trade. जैसे ये मूव कर रहा है, डंप नहीं किया. कितने पॉइंट्स दे दिए थे? 10 पॉइंट्स भाई. 45 I will have to break even after this low gets swept if we go there. Yeah, it's pumping guys, it's pumping. And I don't know why my chart is all black on the trader weight. Come on, dump now, dump now. This is break even point guys, okay? Remember. Come on, no dumping. Wow. And now I think we'll get stopped out. Yep. If you want to keep bullish, I think we will get stopped out. And then, and can we? Yes, I get stopped out there. Okay, yes. And I think we want to keep things bullish, I guess. Again, I have taken this kind of losses. I'm not learning from mistakes, I guess. The close was bad or everything you can say, but it's fine. Yeah, that's a loss on the day. First loss on the day, and probably will be last for my flipping accounts. Because I do not wanna fuck those accounts at all after what happened. I don't know why my chart is all black. I'm trying to figure out color scheme. SI broke. I don't know. I think it's a choppy day, guys. Otherwise, ये low तो निकलना चाहिए था. Or we should have moved to the at least lowers of this. Again, anti did not work out. Trade as usual. But we move on. ES is going higher on the other side, as you can see, while NQ is just stuck there. So that can be a sign that we sweep this high again. And yeah. As a beginner, we should go fixed RR और होम रन. होम रन तो कभी मत जाओ भाई. होम रन बिगिनर एडवांस कुछ भी करो, होम रन तो कभी मत जाओ, वरना बड़े बुरे फंस जाओगे तुम. होम रन तो मैं आज तक नहीं जाता. होम रन ये होता है कि तुम के जैसे इधर एंटर किया तो तुम पूरा लिक्विडिटी जोन और पूरा एरिया टारगेट कर रहे हो, ऊपर तक और नीचे तक. दैट कैन बी होम रन. what we are trying to uh, what we are trying to do is like take 1:1, 1:2. Home run is something that people who risk, let's say, $500 on a trade and then going for $2,000, $3,000 from that single trade, that can be bad. Okay. Okay, guys, I think we might get a high sweep and again see what we can do. Bro, that tastes so bad. Again, we can have different taste bud as well. Regular ones are better. I have full crate of Red Bulls. Regular ones, uh, tropical ones, and watermelon ones. Monster White better. I used to drink Monster a lot when I was child. Again, this could have been, what should I say? With the momentum, how the second candle closed and there was FPG open to protect us. Probably this trade could have worked out at least till this sweep, but NQ has been moving very weirdly recently and it did not sweep this low. Again, we went up, we came back down. At least we should have gotten this low sweep. If you see, at least this low sweep. अगर वो लो स्वीप मिल जाता तो ये स्वीप था ही एंड देन ब्रेक इवन मिल जाता हमें एटलीस्ट. उसके बाद तो डंप ही था. बट अगेन एज यूजुअल एनक्यू हैज बीन फकिंग अस up. Sugary drinks are better than beer. Yes, I know, but beer makes me do stuff on the stream which you Will love to see, but I don't love to. I will not love to see myself doing that. Yes, today is the last day of the month. Usually, last week of the month goes like this. So, if you are not prepared for that, it sucks to be. Harmful, yes, yes, yes. I know. I know they are harmful, but what can I do? I just woke up. I need energy to be on stream, do some stuff. अब क्या ही करें? Young wings. साले कभी मिल मत जाइयो अब मुझे प्रथम. We used to assume Sting as Red Bull and Fizz as beer. Oh my days. Never. See, to be honest, I never had Sting and never want to have one. But yeah, I hate drinking coffee. I hate that shit. I know it's a better for health and a shit, but again, when I'm trading, I like to do stuff which gives me, some kind of satisfaction in terms of anything, right? See, I will avoid some of the question which are in the comment section or chat section, which I do not like to see because I'm trading. I want to keep things straight. I'll do stuff which I like. Yeah. Even I don't drink tea. I mean, a lot. Once in a while, yes. But yeah. ट्रेडर होके स्टारबक्स, अरे भाई हेल, ये देखो अंश को देखो, 19 साल का है, पता चल गया भाई. शॉर्ट्स नॉट येट शॉर्ट्स गाइस, यू विल गेट फेक्ड आउट, वेट फॉर इट. हमने एक बार ट्राई कर लिया, शॉर्ट्स नहीं काम किया, फक ऑफ. नाउ we'll wait for more and more confirmation. If it wants to go down, we will wait for it to give us reconfirmation, and then we'll take short somewhere around here. Thank you SKG old monk. अरे यार, फिर एनक्यू के खत्म, एनक्यू का सीन खत्म हो जाएगा. 1 minute bullish IFPG. Yes, I'm not sorting that, guys. I'm not sorting that. काम कर सकता है, करना है तो कर लो. कर भी गया अगर किसी ने ट्रेड लिया होता तो. ये इन्वर्जन है, ये स्टॉप है 28 पॉइंट का. ऑलमोस्ट 23 24 25. नहीं, अभी 1:1 नहीं लिया, बट मैं नहीं कर रहा वो. I'm going easy today, guys. I'm going easy after taking one loss. I'm not gonna get right back after knowing what happened yesterday. You guys know what happened yesterday, right? Yesterday was blow up day for me. Okay, कल की स्टोरी. कल की स्टोरी, हम स्ट्रीम ख़त्म करें, फिर हम दोस्त लोग बैठे थे, एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई शुड एक्चुअली. मैं तुम्हें सॉल्यूशन बता देता हूँ. अगर मैंने ये गलती करना बंद कर दिया in my career, I've been doing this mistakes since I don't, as long as I can remember, that I run up accounts to the level, and then what happens is that one thought comes in my mind that I should run up little bit more because I have more drawdown today, and it will set to end of the day tomorrow, whatever, blah blah blah, and I blow up the accounts, most of the accounts. Usually what happens, if that there are 5 accounts, see, that happened to me on when January started this month, right? When I had 5 TPT funded accounts, I ran those accounts up to $4,000 on the first day. So I made total of $20,000 on 5 accounts, right? I could have taken $1,000 each payout on all of them, counting up to $5,000, and then uske baad to daily payout था ही. But what I did, I tried to run up those accounts more and more and more, and ended up blowing that. This is the second time I'm making that mistake, and I'm accepting that on the stream just because I want to make myself accountable to not do mistakes like this anymore. And if I stop doing this, let me tell you, 100,000 a month is nothing. Absolutely, it's a achievement which I should be able to achieve it every month, right? I just need to I just need to stop doing this mistake. I don't know how. I figured out the solution for it. As soon as I have a good day on a stream or on the first trade or second trade, I should leave the house, get the fuck out of the home, and just be on my own or somewhere outside of the house. Because if I'm on the setup and if I see a setup on the chart, I'm gonna take it no matter what, because I have a high confidence on that day. Blah 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 blah. That's what happens. Error not 27,000. $27,000. Yes. Okay, on the year. It could have been more than $40,000 error, but I have made so many mistakes this month. So for next month, because this is the last day, of course, right? Uh, so what I'm gonna do, gonna keep myself accountable for you guys. Gonna bring P&Ls onto the screen so you know if I'm trading on the side or not. Or maybe I'm gonna start streaming for a whole period, 9:30 to 12 or whatever, like 9:30 to 5, right? That can be one solution. But in the February we're gonna try this, that if I have a good day, I'm gonna leave the house. Because even me being experienced 3 4 years, if I'm keep repeating these mistakes, it does not set up a good example for you guys. That's the thing. It just look at the candle, there was no displacement, that is why. But yeah, January still ended up good. Spending was controlled, 5,000 under just $5,000, and we have made $27,500. Again, I can lock $9,000 more payout, but again वो अब नेक्स्ट मंथ ही आएगा, क्योंकि मंडे ट्यूसडे भी फ्लिप करना है, आज भी फ्लिप करना है, तो वही चीज़ है. How many accounts do you blow up in a month? A lot of accounts. Lots of accounts. Funded accounts, very few without taking first payout, but लॉन्ग स्ट्रीम में बट वही इश्यू होगा कि मोस्ट ऑफ माय लाइफ, लेट्स से इफ आई स्ट्रीम 8 hours, 8 hours of my life will be gone in streaming, 8 hours will be on the sleeping, and 2 3 hours eating, shitting, whatever, and I'm left with nothing. And that is also fine because I don't do shit, right? I don't do shit on my day. It's way better that I work little bit extra, blah blah blah. Guys, I'm gonna wait for this inversion. If we invert this, maybe I will look for longs. Okay. So yeah, I blew that funded account which was $8,000 of yesterday, and I blew another one after that because I want tilt. Thankfully, I did not blow all of them. Three was left. I did not touch them at all. All three are on the balance somewhere around $8,500 or to close to $9,000. So we will be able to lock our first February payout of $9,000 soon, and hopefully we do not any fuck ups doesn't happen, so we can start February with the payout right away, right? And if I don't blow these accounts, these three, just keep flipping them and taking payouts, I can beat January payouts from only all these three accounts. If you do the math, right? I need to flip every day successfully. If I can do that, $9,000 each cycle, I can at minimum take 3 cycles, which $27,000 already. If I pass new accounts, blah 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 blah, will be okay, guys. That 27,000 से थोड़ा तो ऊपर ही बन जाएगा. What will be your stop for this inversion? My stop will be the FPG cover, right? I do want to cover some FPGs here. दे देगा ट्रेडर्स 30 सेकंड में भी दे देंगे, टेंशन नहीं है। बट ये साला बहुत दूर क्लोज ना हो, वरना फिर मुझे IFPG कवर करनी पड़ेगी इतना ही। 40 पॉइंट्स इसमें भी स्टॉप बन रहा है, बट लेना तो पड़ेगा, सेटअप बन रहा है। 4 3 2 1 all right, going long here, stop 33 points, somewhere around that. High pay break even, and you can go for covering your, and this will be the last trade of the month, guys. I'm not gonna trade after this, okay? If it's a stop loss, it's Friday, last day of the month, everything is combines where my trades doesn't go align, so it is what it is, okay? So if you do not want to enter, do not enter. I'm not forcing you to do anything. Do not copy me. I do not know how to trade, do not know how to make money, blah 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 blah, okay? I just had to say that. And it's, can we get the reaction? We did get the reaction, but not that as much as बढ़िया है। SL तो इस वीक के नीचे ही रखना चाहिए। And I'm gonna get stopped out again. Alright guys, I'm done for the day. 2 losses back to back. Not gonna trade anymore. 2 quick losses, both sides got faked out. If you see price action, yeah, we are chopping. We are chopping. Official chop has opened up. Again, we had a good reaction on the inversion. Did not work out. We did get the reaction, but yeah. P&L on the accounts which I'm trying to pass. Flipping में इस ट्रेड्स में नहीं कर रहा, by the way, just letting you know. Just minus 2.5k. New 150k evals. आज थोड़ा अच्छा चल जाता, अच्छा लगता, but again, fucking price action, fucking shit price action. Long faked out, short faked out, we got faked out all the way. 2.5k on 200, sorry, 2 evaluation, 150k is new evaluation. Ah, ओके, ये एसएल हम ये भी रखते तो हम स्टॉप्ड आउट ही होते, बट या we'll reduce our risk or keep the same. I keep the risk same always. I do not change my risk at all, because if I reduce risk now and then if I take a win, it's not gonna count much. It's like I'm taking big losses but small wins. It doesn't make sense to me at all. भाई ये देखो, लास्ट 5 मिनट की 1 2 3 4 5 कैंडल्स, वेरी फकिंग चॉपी प्राइस एक्शन. इट्स ओके दो. हमें ऐसा करना था कि लोस पे बाय करना था, हाईस पे सेल करो. In longs with 5 macros, be very careful, guys. Be very careful. It's very choppy price action. There was no inversion. I hope now you can see there is an inversion. Tried both short and long on the inversions, did not work out anything. But look at how candles are printing on even 1 minute. It's totally different than yesterday. So getting chopped up is very easy here. Do not try to trade. And gold is as wild as possible, 77 point, 100 points moving. Everything is fucked up after what happened yesterday. Nice, yeah, trader. It is डॉजी की कोई सेटअप नहीं है ये. दिस इज आईसीटी कॉन्सेप्ट्स. रिस्क कम कर लो ना, सेम ही हुआ. अगर 45 पॉइंट का स्टॉप है तो 5 माइक्रो से घुस जाओ. 25 पॉइंट का हो गया स्टॉप. ओके, cool. And now we move to the downside. इधर हमें शॉर्ट में फेक आउट किया, इधर हमें लॉन्ग में फेक आउट किया. अब देखते हैं लोग फेक आउट होते हैं इधर के नहीं शॉर्ट में. वाह, suddenly it started moving. I'm gonna try flipping, guys, my accounts with this momentum. I'm gonna start with 5 micros, and if it goes against my favor, I'm gonna add it to it and try to make $250 to flip accounts. Okay, not right now, but yeah. If I can find something, I'm gonna try to do it. Look, yes, holy. ट्विटर वॉर में बारे में थोड़ा हो जाए. कुछ नहीं भाई, क्या वॉर. हमें कुछ लेना देना ही नहीं है. हम दूर से सिर्फ देख सकते हैं. अब एक दूसरे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं सैनिक को क्या हो गया है. बट इट इज व्हाट इट इज. उसको लगा होगा बोलना चाहिए, बोला होगा. हमारे तो ऐसे लग रहे हैं, हम तो कुछ बोल भी नहीं पाते. हमारे तो ऐसे लग रहे हैं, हम कैसे बोलेंगे इसमें. ट्राइंग वन शॉट हियर 5 माइक्रोस. फ्लिप करने के लिए ट्रेड नहीं है, मैं एवरेज कर सकता हूँ अनलिमिटेडली. ओके, nice. I do want it to go up little bit so I can average into position and see what I can do with that. But I'm gonna leave for now 5 micros in and see how much it goes up. Draw will be this. Okay. भाई डाउन जोन्स हम करते एशिया स्वीप कर से अच्छा ट्रेड दिया है पीजी पे. नाइस यार, अब तो वही करना पड़ेगा लगता है. सिल्वर का भी ट्रेड तो बना ही था, बट सिल्वर ट्रेड करने में बहुत फट्टी है यार. सिल्वर इज क्रेजी. हाई स्वीप, इन्वर्जन, डंप। भाई फंडिंग टैक्स रिफंड वगैरह देगा कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता भाई फंडिंग टैक्स के बारे में। पहले दिन जब इश्यूज आए थे तभी बोल दिया था मैंने ट्रेड मत करो। नाइस। जब पहले ही दिन रूल चेंज किए उन्होंने तभी मैंने मेरे अकाउंट बंद कर दिए थे। लो, ओके, नीड 4-5 points एक्स्ट्रा डंप एंड देन आई विल बी हैप्पी। पीपी वही चीज है, ये लो हो सकता है बट उसके पहले बकचोदी कर सकता है, तब बी वेरी केयरफुल गाइस एंड इवेंचुअली ड्रॉन लिक्विडिटी इज दिस। जाके उनकी वेबसाइट पे कंफर्म करो कि रिफंड लेना है कहाँ पे, वरना हाँ ओके, गो आस्क देम। नून बता रहा है ऐसा कर लो, मुझे पता नहीं है वो कैसे होता है सीन। आज प्रॉप फर्म्स की मजे मजे हो गई भाई, मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, इस चॉप में इतने लोगों ने अकाउंट उड़ाया है। और ये वापिस ऊपर चले जाएगा, फर्म $1 million कमाएंगे 100%। और आई नीड स्वीप ऑफ दिस लो to successfully flip accounts, hoping that it does it. Wow. वैसे अल्फा फीचर कौन यूज करता है इधर, कोई यूज करता है अल्फा फीचर्स का अकाउंट्स? ऐसा रूल भी है उन्होंने कि 1 मिनट 2 मिनट होल्ड करना है? Wow. I'm gonna aggressively add to position guys, okay? Do not suggest you doing. Okay. Now firm has earned so much money in this pump, as I said before sweeping this low. Firms are doing crazy. Earning crazy nowadays. कल भी कैसे ट्रेड, कल भी कैसे हुआ था वॉलेटिलिटी के साथ, मेरे जैसे लोग गोल्ड में ट्रेड किए होंगे, पैसा बनाएंगे, किसी ने गवाए होंगे, वही चल रहा है। एंटी टिंकू जी, आई होप यू कम बैक स्ट्रोंगर। हाउ डिड firm made money there? Because people are losing accounts. Do you see this job? People are following shorts, getting swept. हमने शॉर्ट फॉलो किए, गॉट स्वैप, लॉन्ग फॉलो किए, गॉट स्वैप, वही चीज़ है। प्योर चॉप डेट, यस, एंड फर्म्स डू लव दिस काइंड ऑफ प्राइस एक्शन। क्योंकि कोई ट्रेड में बैठा है वो ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं बना रहा है, जो गलत है वो बहुत गलत हो रहा है। नहीं नहीं नहीं, नहीं लगाया। हेलो हेलो हेलो, अच्छा। भाई ट्विटर वाला को तो मंथली सैलरी मिल रही है। कौन ट्विटर वाला? ओ, सॉरी सॉरी, मुझे, भाई मत मत बुलाओ भाई, स्क्रीन पे छोड़ दो ना। लीव मी। लेट्स मूव ऑन गाइस, मूव ऑन फ्रॉम दैट। हम अपनी लॉसेस की बात करते हैं, है ना? लेट अस मूव ऑन फ्रॉम ट्विटर। नंबर्स बाहर आ गए ना लाडले। बढ़िया बढ़िया। क्या हो गया? कुछ नहीं केवल भाई, कुछ नहीं। Is this job? I don't know. If it's expired, they should move. But nothing. It just jobs around a lot. You only trade annual session? Mostly, yes. कल का इनकी देखो और आज का वही चीज है. You can expect this kind of stuff when NQ moves a lot uh, during a week. You can expect chop in the Friday coming in. वही चीज है. Yeah, that was the main. So that's the only video you need. उसके बाद तो मैंने 1-on-1 में कुछ नहीं दिया. Guys, this is getting boring. It's very choppy price action now. I will update you guys on the flipping if market even dips little bit because I am averaging into position. मुझे सिर्फ 250 बनाने हैं. I think it will be easily done because I'm averaging very slowly and even one dump will make money for me in that one. But flipping is a different game, right? If you know how to do it, it can be done easily than taking trades like this. But we are already into 52 minutes in stream. It is very choppy. I do not want to buy new accounts and trade today. Maybe from Monday we'll buy new accounts and trade. I do have two evaluation of 150 Ks of Lucid Trading. आज देखता हूँ अगर आज ट्रेड कर पाया तो which are down from these two trades. But if I can make it, I will. Otherwise, I'm gonna trade them on Monday and see what I can do. Alright. Re-enter in longs with $200 risk. Be very careful, Viraj. If you are chasing longs or shorts, you can get chopped very easily. So just make sure you're not entering. If it's your setup, it's 100%. Go in with even more risky, whatever you want, right? But if it's not your setup and you're just looking to get back whatever you lost, do not trade with it. Already, I tried both side, and usually what happens is even if I lose first trade, second trade is a win because again, both side if it fakes me out, then you know that it's gonna be choppy session. You rarely see me taking two losses back to back, right? So that's the thing. Yeah, Emily is right. It's still consolidating, but yeah, it's all right. If it's your setup, very good. फ्यूचर में ट्रेड स्टार्ट करना है, कुछ स्टेप बता दो. क्या स्टेप बताए, बताओ आप. कौन से स्टेप? ऐसे कैसे तुम वाइड क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो कि कुछ स्टेप बता दो. कहाँ आपको इश्यू आ रहा है वो तो. डू यू लाइव ट्रेड डेली? यस, आई डू लाइव ट्रेड डेली. देख लो पीछे जाके. पिछले 3-4 आई हैव बीन सीइंग सिंस लास्ट 3-4 डेज. फ्लिपिंग मीन्स इसको उठा के, जैसे दिस इज अ पेन, इसको उठा के ऐसे फ्लिप करके डाल देना. Maybe the PM session will be clean up. Again, not interested today. एक कदम सफलता की ओर. यस, करंट भाई फ्लिपिंग मीन्स के मिनिमम जो प्रॉफिट रिक्वायरमेंट होता है, जो फर्म को अगेन एक प्रॉफिटेबल दिन गिनती है. फॉर माई 150 के अकाउंट्स आई नीड $250 मिनिमम to count that as a profitable day, and I need 5 of those to request payout, right? Which is it? So I'm collecting those. That means flipping. I try to go in a position with very less contracts, let's say 5 micros, and 5 micros on 150 case is very less, right? Very less. I'm gonna try to average into it until it gives me my. Sometimes you're gonna blow accounts, yes, of course. It's very rare, but you're gonna blow accounts. What risk management do I use? I tend to risk $700 on 50k accounts per trade. It is very aggressive, but it is what it is. Alright, folks, I think that's it. We're gonna take a leave. I'm gonna take a leave. Giveaway will be done next week sometime. I'm not gonna let you know in the advance at all. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining. Again, week has been up and down, but again this week we did take that $15,000 payout. If somebody is doubting that, that's the results I bring in, right? we did lock that $15,000 payout. Next week we'll try to lock in another $9,000 from Lucid alone and pass few accounts here and there to get ready for February, right? So this week was successful in terms of payout. Again, trading has been on and off, but it's okay, right? There will be 100K. No, I don't think so. It is possible for any month to be 100K. You gotta be preparing for that month or 2 months like beforehand. You gotta be prepared, right? So something like that. You gotta have 2 3 sets of account at buffer and blah blah blah. Then it will be easy. Something like, let's say, 2 sets of 150K accounts with the buffer will do it trick, because you can take 3 payouts in a month, 45K from one firm, 45K from another firm. That gonna put you at 90K. So that's it. सतंग जी, मैं आपके लिए रिस्पेक्ट बढ़ गई आज के ट्विटर वर्ड देखकर। मत मत पढ़ो, आई मीन थैंक यू फॉर वर्ड्स बट अगेन लीव इट। मत पढ़ो उसमें। तुम अपना काम करो, है ना? ट्रेडिंग पे फोकस करो, धीरे धीरे इम्प्रूव करो। आज बहुत ही खराब दिन रहा, कल तो और खराब दिन था, बट वी मूव ऑन गाइस, वी मूव ऑन, होपिंग फॉर नेक्स्ट गुड वीक। That's all we can do. Okay. 25K accounts are very underrated of Lucid Fund. My best results are always December, guys. December is my best month, always my birthday month. Alright, guys. I'll see you. Take care. Thank you for joining. See you on Monday, hopefully with some wins and clean week. यार, ये जनवरी में अभी भी एक वीक ऐसा नहीं आया जहाँ पे क्लीन वीक मिला हो मुझे, but hoping for a clean price action soon. Alright, see you guys. Alright, take care. Peace.